Do you want to buy crypto on Binance using the peer-to-peer method and you don't know how to do it? Make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'll be teaching you how to buy crypto from Binance if you follow my steps accurately. The reason you should watch this video is because I'll show you how you can buy at a cheap price from a sure source where your money you will not be scammed, and above all, I will be showing you step by step all you need to do. All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video. And if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, you want to create a Binance app and you need a Binance app, I will leave a link down below. If you follow this link that I'm putting down below, I'm very confident that you're going to get $25 once you create your new Binance account and you do your first deposit. So let's go straight to the business. For you to buy crypto on Binance, you click on Binance. It will bring you to your home screen. From your home screen, you can see that in this middle part, there's a deposit, there's a P2P trading. But because this is the interface of the home screen, for you to buy crypto, the best place to go is you look down the home screen, down below. You will see home market, trade, futures, and wallet. You click on the wallet icon. When you click on the wallet icon, it will bring you to overview, spot, margin, futures, peer-to-peer. So all you need to do is you click on peer-to-peer. When you come to peer-to-peer, you will see transfer, you will see P2P trading. Now, peer-to-peer trading simply means you are buying crypto from somebody else that wants to sell crypto. There are different ways to buy crypto. You can buy crypto from the platform using your card. You can buy crypto using peer-to-peer. But in this case, you are using peer-to-peer, and most of Nigerians that want to buy crypto, I advise you to use the peer-to-peer method so that your account will not be flagged, since the federal government have banned cryptocurrency in Nigeria. So when you click on peer-to-peer trading, it will bring out a list of people that are selling different coins. For example, this first one is USDT, the next one is Bitcoin, the next one is BUSD, there is BNB, there is Ethereum, there is Nigerian Naira, and different coins like that. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be buying USDT. USDT is the US dollar Tether. It is a stable coin. So let's say I want to buy USDT, and I want to buy. Please hold on. Sorry, back to the tutorial. I got a call, so I had to pause the video. Now, these are the things you need to watch out when you want to buy a coin. Number one, let me refresh one more time. You need to, because they keep updating people that are selling coins. You check the price, you check the crypto limit, and you check the person's percentage and the person trade. For example, now the first person you can see here is investor Torniga with 2,147 trades with 88.83% success rate, and the person limit is 227,000 naira and above. So if you want to buy from him, you must have like 227,000 minimum. That's the amount of coin he wants to sell. And in this situation, I want to buy a coin worth of, let's say, 37,000 naira, so I cannot buy from him. Now, with his success rate, 87 over 100 is not bad. 88% over 100 is not bad, but personally I want to go for something higher, let's say 100% success rate, or probably 85 and above. So I now begin to scroll. I can see this one, Mighty, his own limit is 1.2 million. I can't afford that. And mind you, you need to also check the method in which the person is taking his or her transaction. Some people don't want bank transfer, they probably want you to exchange crypto with them. So in this case, you need to check the method the person is using to take his or her transfer, and I'll show you where you can see that. Just continue to stick to this tutorial. Make sure you watch to the end. Now look at this guy. He has 100% success rate with 157 trade. Very good one, but his limit is very, very expensive. And you can see Jude. Now there's something about this. People that are doing higher transaction, they give lower price than people that are doing lower transaction. So now it's 489. Maybe when we come to lower transaction, it might be like 490.3, but let's just keep checking. So I am scrolling down, checking the amount, I'm checking the success rate. I can see Raymond Network 587 trade, 100% success rate, but his limit is 100, and what I want is lesser than that. So in this case, this person has 99.29% success rate, 489, 30,000 and above. I want to buy, but is limited, so I can't buy from him. It doesn't have stock at the moment. So I'll continue to check. I continue to check. I've told you what to be looking out for. I'm checking. I'm looking at the price. Now this person is selling from 2,000 and above. So if you want to buy crypto worth of 2,000 naira, I can even buy from this guy, and he has 93.50% success rate. So I can buy from him. Because his price is actually cheap, he's selling from 2,000 to less than 200,000. Now I click on buy. When I click on buy, you will see by fiat, you see by crypto. Notice on the top there's a countdown. Now I'm not you make sure it is on by fiat. By fiat simply means you are buying with cash. Then you enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say 37,000 naira. So I click on buy USDT. When I click on this, our bank account details would come out. Buy USDT, a bank quantity, order number and everything. So I transfer payment method. This is a bank account number. You click on payment method, the bank account number, Kuda Bank, I copy. So I go to my own bank to transfer. I've gone to my Apple Bank. I'm not going to be showing you guys this part. So transfer. I'm not going to be showing you guys this. In this video, I went to I deposited the amount of money, and you can see you successfully purchased also amount of coin, and it has been deposited in my account. So all I need to do is for me to go to my account. I just go to my Binance, go to my account and refresh and see if truly this has been deposited. This is it. You can see $75.45. That was what I paid for. I just got in the money in my P2 from my P2P. You can see from my P2P, you can see the money that is there. Then if I go to my overview and I refresh, the money in my overview has increased to $85.50. So that is as simple as ABC. That is how you deposit money on your crypto wallet directly to her. No stress, and immediately she sent me the coin. Thanks for stopping by on this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.